Don't dare compare us. The Prime Minister defends the tax package while announcing initiatives to tackle crime, unemployment and housing. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, lackluster. The opposition responds to the Prime Minister's speech.
Tight-lipped school administrators at Eltham High on a reported stabbing at the institution.
Rotten meat, the latest on the beef ban.
In the Business Day, plastic problem, a special look at so-called scandal bags.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking what's your reaction to the Prime Minister Andrew Holness's budget speech?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.